So we're given this kind of a factorial and square root kind of an expression, and we're told that this is an integer. So the first thing we're going to do is to see how else we can simplify it. First thing I note, there's the radicals and the square, so I see the identity, a plus b square, which is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, and by squaring it, I'll get rid of the radicals. So I'm going to do, first term would be 8 factorial, 9 factorial plus 2 times square root of 8 factorial times 9 factorial. So we'll see how this is going to help because we need to find the greatest integer that's a factor, n, that's a factor of this. So I can factor out an 8 factorial and we'll get 1 plus 8. So this is 9. 8 factorial. Actually, yeah, I'm making a mistake. This is 9. Because 9 factorial is 9 times 8 factorial, so 1 through 8. So this will be 8 factorial times 10. And then this would be 8 factorial times 8 factorial times 9. So then I can take square root of those. There are 2 of them, so that becomes 2 times 8 factorial. And then square root of 9 would be 3. So far we have 10 times 8 factorial. All these questions are almost always about simplifying and rewriting it because there's no way to see the answer just looking at that expression. So 6 times 8 factorial. And now you'll see this becomes 16 times 8 factorial. So now it's easier to see. 16 is 2 to the 4. And then they're saying the largest value of n for which 2 to the n is a factor here. So I need to really just find in the prime factorization of 8 factorial, what's the power of 2? So sometimes it's, if this was 100 factorial, I'll use a different approach, but there aren't that many, so I'll just write them all out. So you get 2 to the 1 here, 2 to the 2 here, and then you'll get a single 2 here, and then 2 cubed. So when you do the prime factorization, we already have 2 to the 4. You get 4, 6, 7. Let me just make sure 6, 7, yeah. So you get 2 to the 7 and a bunch of other terms. So this will be, eventually will be 2 to the 11 in the prime factorization. So what's the largest power of 2 to the n? That would be n is 11. Answer choice D.